how to change a Netflix email address. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply log into your account and make sure to simply open your desired profile. So after doing that, what are we going to do is simply tap on my Netflix account right here, option right here, then you'll be able to see your username, tap on it, and then tap on app settings. So after doing that here, if you scroll down a bit, you'll be able to see account, tap on account, and then from there, if you scroll down a bit, simply tap on email. And then from there, what are we going to do is simply first of all verify ourselves. So you can do it either from a email code or text code, or you can confirm your payment information and simply verify your account, right? So after doing that, there will be the option of change email link. So all you need to do is tap on it and then request a security code by email or text message, again, like in order to verify your identity. Like this step right here, and then you need to now type in your new email address in the box provided, then tap on save in order to update your account email, and remember to look in your new inbox for a confirmation email in order to verify the update. So you need to check your mail again and then verify your email address. So yeah, this is all you need to do in order to change your Netflix email address. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.